following interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.
Gosh, it is just amazing to think that we're almost to fall. Take a minute and remember way back in January and that New Year's resolution to be better with finances. How's that looking for you? Well, if you're still searching for ways to save some cash, start with lowering your home mortgage. Ideal Home Loans professionals are waiting just to take your call right now so they can answer any questions that you might have about the process. You're going to learn why many are accomplishing their financial goals with Ideal Home Loans. Now, here to put the green back into your life is Brent Ineson. It's nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
Let's start out with the benefits of using a local mortgage banker.
Well, you know, the big advantage that we have is we know the marketplace. We know the environment here in Colorado. We're headquartered here. We've been lending since 2001. And being a local mortgage banker, we control everything in-house under our own roof. So we can take a make-sense approach to some complicated situations. We can help navigate appraisal issues because we know the market so well. And the great thing is because we're lending our own money, we can get your loan closed in as little as 30 days.
I love that. 303-867-7000. Call right now or go online to idealhomeloans.com. And it's important to lock and close right away.
Well, it is. You know, right now we have rates rising. You know, we've seen rates go up pretty consistently over the last 6 to 8 weeks. And what happens is when rates are really low like they were last year, locks weren't nearly as big a concern because if you overstayed your lock, if things weren't done in time, then we could just relock your loan somewhere else. Right now, because we're in a rising rate environment, if we lose that lock or blow that lock, we're looking at market pricing. And so what consumers are finding, if they're not able to get their loan closed quickly, they're incurring horrendous extension costs or relocking at a higher interest rate. And so with us, we can get your entire loan done from start to finish in 30 days. You're not running into lock extension fees. You're not having to relock at market. We get everything done on time so that you can close, you know what your payment's going to be, and it's a smooth, convenient process.
Brent, with the current rates, how much can we actually save?
Well, you know, here's the amazing thing. Even with rates moving into the mid-4s, we have 30-year fixed rates today at 4.5%. You still have over half of homeowners who have not taken advantage of interest rates. And we're talking about what we've seen over the last 12 to 24 months. If you're somebody who's paying in the mid-6s right now, of that half, 40% of those people are paying 6% or more. A lot of them are paying in the mid-5s. You're looking at saving $300 a month or more.
That's fantastic. Yeah. That's gas.
It is. It's a ton of money. You know,
grocery bills.
With back to school starting, I know everybody's spending money there. I mean, this is a significant amount of money. So really the rule of thumb is if you haven't refinanced in the last 12 months, call us. Chances are we can save you $200 or $300 a month.
So what is the process when I call Ideal Home Loans, which, by the way, it's 303-867-7000. You can go through the web address, but calling is a really easy process.
It is. You know, you're going to talk to one of our licensed loan officers who can walk you through the entire process. And what you're going to find that's unique about us, we ask a lot of questions of what you're trying to accomplish as a consumer. What is it you want to do here? And then we can go to work and use a mortgage as a tool to accomplish your goals. I mean, a mortgage can be a very, very valuable financial planning tool, but you've got to use it in the right way, and we have to know what your short-term and long-term plans are. So we'll do a lot of talking about what it is you're trying to accomplish, where you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years, so that we can make sure we put you in a loan that not only fits today, but fits down the line as well.
You want to make sure it works for them, too, not just you, which is great.
Absolutely.
It goes back to excellent customer service. So what kind of questions are most asked when they call the call center?
Well, you know, we have certainly when you call, you can ask about purchasing, refinancing, anything as it relates to your home loan. We've had a lot of questions recently about adjustable rate mortgages, which are really good short-term options for people. A lot of questions about purchasing. You know, that misnomer is still out there that you need 20% to put down, and you don't. You can get into a home for as little as $1,000 down. You can get into a home for 3.5% down. There's a lot of options out there. So don't let down payment keep you from buying your next home. Chances are there's a product that can help you.
See, that's crazy. You can get into a home right now for $1,000 down. That's awesome. That's wonderful. You also say there are a few people that 15 to 20-year loans work for.
Well, absolutely. You know, the question I get all the time is, what's the smartest thing I can do with my home loan? In being in the business I am, it's really simple. Pay it off. Pay it off as quickly as you can.
Beat the bank.
Beat the bank at their own game. Right now, 15 and 20-year mortgages are still at levels where people are finding they can get out of their long-term home loan into a shorter-term mortgage, pay it off more quickly, and in most cases, they're not spending a whole lot more than they are in their current 30-year home loan today. So this is a way to set yourself up financially. It's a great tool. You know, I know a lot of people have goals in terms of retirement, college, things like that. All these things work with a shorter term mortgage, and we can get you into a payment that works in your budget and have your home paid off when you need it to be done so you don't have that expense.
Do you put everything in writing? Is there a written guarantee?
We do. We put everything in writing up front, and we guarantee that it won't change. And the reason we do that, we want you to make an informed decision at the very front of the process. We're going to show you what your break even is, how long you need to be in this home for this transaction to make sense, how much money you're going to save, so that you can make that decision right then and there and then go through the process. It's not something that happens last minute at closing where there's numbers changing and things moving around. We don't deal with things that way. We put everything in writing up front, and we're able to do so because we're lending our own money and stand behind what we've told you from the very beginning.
Where do you feel, and this is your opinion,
Sure.
where do you feel rates are heading towards the end of the year?
You know, I think we continue to see a lot of strong, positive economic signs, and that's going to be bad news for mortgage rates. You're going to see rates continue to climb. Now, you know, we saw a very sharp increase. We saw rates go from 3 3/4 to 4.5%. That's a jump of 0.75%.
Right.
I don't think we're going to see things go to 5.5%, but we're probably going to see rates bounce around in the high 4s. So for anybody looking to do anything, whether it's buying, whether it's refinancing, you want to take advantage of interest rates right now because, believe it or not, 0.25% jump in interest rates could change your payment by $30 or $40. So it's money that you're going to not save by waiting. So time's really not on your side on this if you're buying or refinancing.
Well, make sure you pick up the phone and call right now, 303-867-7000. They can help you refinance. If they're upside down in their home, they can actually help you there, too. What about home buyers? What about they found their dream home,
right,
or they're still looking? You have a wonderful way to help them out.
We do. You know, in both cases, and we work a little differently from the home buying process, we want you to tell us what you're comfortable with as far as a mortgage goes every month. You know your budget better than anybody. Tell us what payment you can afford, and we can work backwards. And as far as buying a home and finding a home, the Home Buyer Scouting Report, which is an online search tool we provide all of our home buyers free of charge, you can access the system 24 hours a day from your own computer. You can search the entire metro area and get as specific as you want. Square footage, room count, zip codes, test results on schools. This is a great tool to narrow it down to 3 or 4 properties and then go see those properties. The other big advantage is right now is if you have a property that goes on the market in your price range and the criteria you've been looking for, you're notified the minute it hits the market. So you can go see that property and write an offer right away.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming on the show today. You can call now about lowering your mortgage with Ideal Home Loans. Their number, 303-867-7000. A team of professionals are standing by right now to answer any questions you might have about your free mortgage consultation. Also, check out their website, idealhomeloans.com. You can sign up for a lower mortgage right there on the website. Ideal Home Loans can have you saving money in just 3 weeks. Your first payment won't be due until November 1st. Ideal Home Loans offers lower rates so you can have your new monthly home mortgage in place quickly. The number again, it's 303-867-7000, and they paid for today's segment.